Today, we're going to learn about what voice to use inside and outside. This is Click the mouse. She is only a baby. Click is 1 year old. Maria is taking care of her while her owner Nala is away. Piyo is Maria's hamster. He is 2 years old, and he loves playing with Click. Coco is outside in the yard. She is excited because she won at her video game. A few minutes later, Maria asked Duck to help put Click to sleep for her nap. Coco went inside the barn to tell her friend Duck that she won the video game. Coco now knows when to use her loud voice and her quiet voice. Oh look! There's Yuki the spider! We learned a lot about inside and outside voices today, boys and girls.